Hi guys, this is how to get rid of hiccups show. This is my sister. She is 6 years old. And I am 9 years old. Her name is
Alyssa.
My name is Alyssa too.
Her nickname's Hannah. My nickname's Hannah.
Yeah. We're mostly twins, but different color hair.
Yeah. My mom had to dye hers. I know. Her hair is curly because yesterday she had a braid. And the day she took out. Because
See how curly that is?
she had 4 braids in her hair.
Okay, sorry, that was just my brother.
You met our brother?
Oh, brother.
I'm going to do this.
Go shut the door, please. Go shut the door. Oh, so she just had to shut the door. But yeah, what you do to get rid of hiccups is
You have to
drink a lot of water,
then
puke it out.
But you have to push your throat really hard.
Like that hurts.
Yeah, kind of, but
Well, kind of.
you have to push a little soft.
Kind of soft.
And sometimes you might puke all of it out in the sink, and most of it.
And then the hiccups will go away. Sorry, I just dropped the phone. I know, right?
You meant my phone that mom got me?
The phone. But please comment
Or subscribe to
or like to our channel.
It's called the hashtag sister.
Yeah.
But they're twins. Peace out.
Remember, comment, share,
And subscribe. Don't forget to
and like 4 things you better not miss. Bye.
Don't forget one part. But subscribe and like and tell all your friends about this video because they
Or show them it.
or maybe just bring something